Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to do the microphone sound test of the JBL Endurance Peak. So we're going to test it in different scenarios to see how good the microphone sound is going to be. Now right now I'm in the house with the fan on. The fan is on 5, so it's a lot of wind sound. So we're going to see how it's going to sound like. The microphone is going to sound like in different scenarios, not only in the house, outside the house. So we'll be going into traffic situation, water situation, where there are a lot of people and the wind situation, and then see if this is going to be good in those scenarios or not. So this is mainly meant for sports. It's a waterproof earphone. So this is not really meant for phone calls that much. That's why only one side has the mic. So the right side has the mic. The left one has no mic, no nothing. So it can only be used mono on the right hand side. So anyways, we'll talk about that in a different video. So let's go ahead, test the microphone sound and then talk more. One thing I noticed with this mic is with one mic in there and noise cancellation, and the mic is actually outward, like taking Okay, so we're doing the microphone sound test in the morning. So now the endurance peak is fitness earphone. It's not mainly focused on microphone sound quality. But hopefully my sound is good. A lot of people can say. Okay, so we're outside Phoenix Mall right now at the red light. There's a crossing there, so there's a lot of traffic. So it's just got green, so a lot of people here. So hopefully my sound is clear. Now this earphone, you don't have two, three, four mics. You just have one mic and this is on the right hand side, and it is actually focusing outward. It's not listening to you. So I don't expect it to do a great job with sound. I'm just trying to test if my sound is going to be audible or not. Now I am quite loud right now. The background sound is quite loud, and this actually creates a very good feel. So I can't really hear much from outside. So the feel on this is good, even though there is no noise cancellation. So hopefully you can hear me well. Okay, so we are at Disney Mall now, so I'm outside Disney Mall where there are 70 water fountains. So we're going to test if you're able to hear my sound properly and if the background sound, the water sound is overpowering. Now in this, the mic is over here, which is already far from my mouth, so it's not going to catch my sound properly anyways. But is the water going to be a big problem? We'll be seeing that. Okay, so you guys have seen the video, so now you know how it actually sounds like. So it's not that great. So one thing is the mic itself. I mean, the mic is actually over here and it's listening this way. So in that scenario, anyways, the sound is not going to be that great. So normally in these kind of microphone earphones, the mic is facing downwards, which is actually focusing towards your mouth, and then it's going to get better sound. Here, you're not going to get good sound. So in regular scenarios, even when I'm home, the sound is average. It's not that great. So wind sound, you can just forget about it. If there's wind hitting on it, no one is going to be able to hear you. Traffic situation, there was a lot of the traffic sound coming in, creaking sound, loud sound coming in, and my sound was barely audible. So not recommended for phone calls. This is mainly for sports, mainly for the gym, mainly for running and all those things. If you want a very good sounding, I mean, bass filled earphone for sports, for your gym and any water sports, as in like if you want to take it to steam room and or you want to take it for swimming and stuff, then this is going to be good. But other than that, mic is just an added feature that they've given. So you can attend phone calls if you are in these scenarios. but it's not meant for phone calls. So you heard the sound, you can decide for yourself whether the sound is good enough for you or not, and you can purchase this. Now this is quite expensive for 12,000 rupees. I will not recommend the mic for it, but for sound quality and the fit and the features, I can recommend. So that's all for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.